Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we learn land transport and air transport. You are watching my videos for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. Let's start the video. Firstly, in the land transport side, Jeep. Second one, train. Third, van. Fourth one, bus. Fifth one, ambulance. Sixth, car. Seventh one, metro. Eighth one, truck. So ninth one, scooter. 10th, the last, auto. These are the land transport. So there are 10 land transport names. So in this side, let me start air transport. First point, jet. Jet. Next, second one, helicopter. Third, seaplane. Airplane. Fifth one, glider. Sixth, blimp. Seventh one, parachute. Eighth one, space shuttle. Ninth one, hot air balloon. 10th, the last one is in the air transport side. So light aircraft. So these are the 10 land transport side and 10 air transport side vehicles. So thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Meet you all in the next video. Bye bye friends. Bye children.